Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to buy PEPE Coin on MetaMask. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So these are the steps that you can follow. So install MetaMask. Ensure that you have the MetaMask wallet extension installed on your web browser. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the MetaMask website and follow the instructions to install and set up your wallet. Now fund your MetaMask wallet. Before buying PEPE Coin, make sure you have sufficient funds in your MetaMask wallet. You can add Ethereum or any other supported cryptocurrency to your wallet by clicking on the account icon in MetaMask, selecting Add Tokens and following the instructions to deposit funds. Find a PEPE Coin exchange. Use a decentralized exchange or DEX that supports PEPE Coin trading. Popular decentralized exchange platforms include Uniswap, SushiSwap, or PancakeSwap. If PepeCoin is on the Binance Smart Chain, visit the respective exchange website. Now connect your MetaMask wallet. On the DEX platform, look for the wallet connection or wallet integration feature. Click on it and select MetaMask as your wallet provider. This will connect your MetaMask wallet to the exchange. Now locate the Pepe Coin trading pair. Once connected, search for the Pepe Coin trading pair. It is usually denoted as Pepe or ETH or Pepe or WETH. So click on the trading pair to access the trading interface. Now set up the transaction. So on the trading interface, you can enter the amount of Pepe Coin you want to buy or the amount of ETH you want to spend. Make sure to review the price and any applicable fees. Now confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details and click on the swap or buy button to initiate the transaction. MetaMask will open a confirmation window where you can review the transaction details, gas fees, and approve the transaction. Now confirm the transaction on MetaMask. After clicking confirm on the MetaMask confirmation window, you may be prompted to confirm the transaction again within your MetaMask wallet. Review the details once more and click on confirm to finalize the transaction. Now wait for the transaction to complete. The transaction will be processed on the blockchain and you will need to wait for it to confirm. This may take a few moments or longer depending on network congestion. The last one is to check your wallet balance. Once the transaction is confirmed, you should see the PepeCoin balance in your MetaMask wallet. You can view the token by clicking on the account icon and selecting Add Tokens if it doesn't appear automatically. So remember to exercise caution when buying cryptocurrencies and ensure that you are using reputable platforms. Additionally, be aware of the associated fees, slippage, and liquidity of the Pepe coin trading pair you choose. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.